Welcome back to DHU's. Today I'm with my best friend. And we're going to do a slime video.
Yes, so she'll go first. Yeah,
Pretty much it.
I pick one of these two.
I want to do this blue flarp. My favorite color is blue and I love flarp. Take it out. It's super squishy. Not super stretchy, but stretching a little bit. It smells like blueberries. Okay. Doesn't stretch really nice.
I know it's kind of hard when you stretch it.
But it's really squishy. I don't know why. It's hard to stretch, but it's really squishy. Okay, let's pick the next. Oh, fart test. Yup. Yeah.
Okay, well, she's doing that. I'm gonna pick orange flarp.
Ooh, yes. It's so new. Wait, can I feel it?
Wait.
It looks amazing.
I know. It's just like that one, but
And there's more, though.
you
This
can
one
make a
has
bubble with this, like a spider web, if you want, like on the table.
Oh, yeah, I've done that before. I've done that with other slime. I love that.
It smells so good.
It's so squishy. It's actually kind of stretchier. It smells like flarp. No, you do the fart test. If you pick flarp, that means you get to do the fart test. Your turn. Okay, I'm gonna do this slime. I gave this to her, and I just want to be a little secure, so it's in a container, but it's also in a Ziploc bag. And it's seashell slime, or if you want to call it Ariel slime, it can be called Ariel slime. Because I put seashells in it, and it's mermaid color. Stinks.
Same stuff.
Smells like mustard. It would smell like Ava's breath after a hot dog after lunch. Oh, and Ava's our friend, just to let you know. Oh, it got super squishy.
Let me touch. Let me touch now.
Oh, I want to show him one of the shells that I put in there. Let it get one out. You're rescued, but you're covered in mud. This is one of the shells. I'm going to show you with the camera. There it is. Oh. Now I'm going to show you the other way. It's like that. I know it looks blue, but it's because it was in slime.
Yeah, this is like aqua boost.
Yeah, it's tail. I made it myself, and then I gave it to her because I didn't want it anymore.
It was kind of hard.
Hard? Yeah, it was hard that day, but now it's so squishy and stretchy.